Llama 4 versus Gemini 2.5. Let's get started. So first we have is Llama. Llama is a large AI Meta's latest open weight model, improving significant over Llama 2 and 3 with better reasoning, efficiency, and multilingual support. It offers open weights, excellent performance, and runs locally, and it's great for fine-tuning, which is popular for custom applications and research. The only downside is it's not available via the public chatbot yet and requires technical setup, and there's no first-party meta chatbot interface. Gemini 2.5, on the other hand, is part of Google's Gemini family, formerly known as Bard. It's a powerful LLM with deep integration across Google's services. It excels at reasoning, coding, and multimodal understanding. It also offers multimodal input. It has a deep Google integration, better real-world utility, and also has a polished UI and accessibility, which is available in via Google One AI Premium and free tiers. The only downside is it has a closed source, there's no access to weights or self-hosting, it has limited customization, and it's sometimes over-aligned. So choose Llama 4 if you're looking for and want an open, customizable, high-performance model that you can fine-tune and run yourself. And go with Gemini and Gemini 2.5 if you want an easy-to-use, powerful assistant with multimodal capabilities and tight Google Workspace integration.